This is the favorite snack of Mexican indigenous people. It is also a valuable ingredient for brewing alcohol. Honeypot ants turn themselves into living containers, solely to store food for the ant colony. The desert remains dry and hot all year round. Honeypot ants build their nests 3 meters underground. Even if it doesn't rain for years, the underground still maintains a suitable temperature. They solve the problem of food storage. Select strong individuals among the young ants, storing collected nectar in the bodies of their companions, hanging above the nest. Worker ants are responsible for collecting nectar, for the ants responsible for storing this nectar for it to eat, keeping them clean and healthy. The unique body structure of honeypot ants. The nectar of flowers that they eat will not enter the stomach, nor being absorbed by the body. Hanging them up is for ventilation, to prevent fungal infections, thus avoiding food loss. This nectar causes their abdomens to swell many times over. The ant colony does this in order to cope with food shortages. To address the issue of famine, the honeypot ants feed the nectar back to the worker ants, ensuring the entire ant colony has food to eat during scarce seasons. However, storing food cannot permanently solve the disasters brought by nature. Death Valley is the driest place in North America. It can go for years without a single drop of rain. Honeypot ants fail to collect enough nectar every year. There will always be a day when the stored food runs out, as the nectar inside their companions' bodies is slowly consumed. If nothing is done in advance, it will bring a huge disaster to the ant colony. At this point, the worker ants swarm out. Even when the ground temperature reaches 50 degrees at noon, they find the nests of other ants. They sneak into the ant nests to investigate. Honeypot ants collect different types of food. Their abdomens display different colors. Upon discovering unfinished food here, they launch a full-scale attack, robbing the opponent's food. Some honey ants are starving. Start eating on the spot. Some will kidnap ants carrying food, taking them away. When food is scarce and nowhere to be found, honeypot ants survive by robbing their own kind. Honeypot ants, in order to cope with extreme environments, have evolved this special way of survival. Storage ants sacrifice their bodies and freedom, but it holds great significance for the reproduction of the ant colony.